Welcome friends. Today we will see the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m by n. We know that we know that we know that 8 square is equal to 64 and cube root of 64 equal to 64 raised to the power 1 by 3. So this 64 can be expressed as 8 square. So we will express 64 as 8 square and to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 4. So we can say in words as cube. See the outer index first. So it is written as cube root 1 by 3. So it is written as cube root of, and at the base it is 8 square. So we will write square of 8. Square of 8 is 4. So this was the simplest form. We call it as 1. Similarly, in another way, we can interchange these indices. We can write 1 upon 2 and square we can take outside and 1 by 3 in inside. Similarly, we can change the position of index. Similarly, the cube of 8 equal to 8 raised to power 1 by 3 equal to 2. Therefore, square of cube root of 8 equal to, it is written as 8 raised to power 1 by 3 and 8 square. So we know that 8 cube is 2. So it is ultimately 2 square. So equal to 4. So in this way we can interchange the position of index. In previous example, square was inside the bracket and 1 by 3, that is cube root, is outside the bracket. In another case, we put the cube root inside the bracket, that is 1 by 3, and square as outside bracket. So from 1 and 2 we can say that from 1 and 2 we can say that cube root of 8 equal to cube root of square of 8 equal to square root of square of root of sorry square, I will write it again, square of cube root of 8. Using indices, how we can write it as cube root of, so it is cube root of square of 8 is equal to square of square of 8 cube, yeah, cube root of 8. Or if we combine by laws of indices, index of index, from that law we can combine these indices as 8 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 3, that means 8 raised to the power 2 by 3. Now this index is in the rational form. it is called as rational form m upon n, where m is 2, n is 3. I will write clearly 3 like this 3. So in this way we get the rational index form. So let's see some examples showing the meaning of the number having rational index form. So I will write as meaning of numbers having index in rational form m by n. So first example is 8 raised to the power 2 by 3. Already we have taken this, but still we will see it for understanding. So I can write as 8 square and then it's 1 by 3 root. So it is written as cube root of square of 8. Always start with outside index and then of inside index. Another is 125 raised to the power 2 by 3. So, sorry, 125. So we will cancel this example. We will take in another way. 8 raised to the power 2 by 3 is also written as 8 raised to the power 1 by 3 and its square. So start with outside index square of cube root of inside is cube root 1 by 3 means cube root. So we will start with outside index, that is square of, and inside 1 by 3 means cube root of 8. In both way we can express the given number of rational index like this. So this is all about uh, the examples. Now we will see the general format of expressing these numbers. So general, sorry, in general we can say that a raised to power m upon n equal to a raised to power m raised to the power 1 upon n. So we can write it as, it means that nth root of mth power of a, or in reverse way we can say that a raised to the power m by n means that a raised to the power 1 by n and raised to the power m means mth power, outside power is taken first, so mth power of nth root of a. So this is the general format where we can formalize the given numbers and how to write its meanings. Now we will go for practice set 3.2. In practice set 3.2 the table is given with numbers, and then we have to write in power of root and then root of the power in second way. So first we will see first number, question number 1, and I will write it in table form. Now table is ready. Such type of table is given and the numbers are given and it is written as power of the root. We can say that fourth, to write it in fourth. So first we have to write the power. So numerator first. So fourth power of fifth root, denominator is 5, so fifth root of 45. Next example, again numerator is sixth, so sixth power of, denominator is 7, so seventh root of, denominator is always called as root of 81. Now see the numerator, fourth power of, denominator is 10th, 10th root of 100. Then see the numerator, cube of seventh root of 21. Similarly, in second column, for see the example, the denominator is taken first as a square root of, then numerator 3 as cube of 225. So we will write in same manner, but in this column first look at the denominator. So fifth root of fourth power of 45. And next look at the denominator first, seventh root of sixth power of 81. Again look at denominator, 10th root of fourth power of 100. And lastly, seventh root of cube of 21. In this way, we have completed the table. We will see once again. Here the number is 225 raised to the power 3 by 2. It is written, read as 225 raised to the power 3 by 2. And in power of the root form, we can write it as, first we write the power, then the root form. So power is 3, so cube of, and denominator is 2, root of square root of 225. So it is written as cube of square root of 225. In the root of the power form, first look at the root and denominator. Root means denominator and then power. So denominator has 2, so it is square root of power, numerator is 3, so cube of 225. So it is written as square root of cube of 225. Similarly, we write these all as like this. Take a snapshot or you can write it down by pausing the video. Next, we will go for problem number 2. This is problem number 2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. First problem is square root of fifth power of 125. So first is square root. So first we will write the base 121, and first statement is square root. Square root का मतलब 1/2 multiplied by fifth power. So it is multiply 5 power. So we will get ultimately 121 raised to the power 5 upon 2. Next is first we will write 324. Then it is given cube of. So cube means 3. Fourth root of. Fourth root means 1 upon 4. So it is ultimately 324 raised to the power. 3 into 1 is 3 upon 4. Next is we will write 264 base. Fifth root means 1 upon 5 multiplied by square of 264. Square matlab 2. That is 264 raised to the power 2 upon 5. So it's easy. Then we will write base 3. So cube root of 3. So cube of means 3 multiplied. Cube root means 1 by 3 equal to 3 raised to power 3 upon 3. So we have to write only in index form. So we will not explain it what the value is. Actually it's 3 only because 3 get cancelled. So it's 3. So in this way practice set 3.2 is complete. Thank you.